was B&J so popular? And it is because we are a family. When people came back, even after years of not being to Tioman, they felt like instantly, yes, I'm home. And it is the togetherness that we have among the team members. When people come, people get greeted by a hug. It's just not the casual. It's like instantly, you are one of us. We're sitting in the evening, chatting, having fun, enjoying it over a drink. And this is what draws people back. And this is what I've been always driving all these years to my crew members. Is like, it is even us members, we need to be close knitted, and because that is what people see. When people see that, hey, this team is having fun, I want to be part of that team. And that is really one of the success stories that we have.